Good evening and welcome back to Edu Skills. OET made easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. And today we are looking into OET Reading Part B. So now the question stem. What is the hedging word here? Or hedging words?
Purpose.
Yeah, purpose. Then nature of the text?
Notice.
Notice.
A notice.
Notice. Like guideline, manual, explain to. This is to occupational therapists. First one, option A.
Confirmation of equipment.
Confirmation of equipment is subject to availability at the time of availability. Then second one,
Standard size. Mattress standard.
standard size. First one is availability. This is standard size and not be suitable for all bed types. Now there is an absolute, right?
All bed.
May not be so. Cannot be.
Yeah, this you should be careful. May not be suitable for all bed types doesn't mean all beds. May be suitable for some bed types, right? May not be suitable for all bed types means may be suitable for some bed types, which is not an absolute, so you cannot eliminate. And one trick I will give you from my experience, if they use that type of trick, okay, this is a strategy here, that must be the right answer.
Yes.
Do you understand? So, one clue I am giving you, okay, if this trick is played, normally that will be the right answer. Do you understand? Right? Because they are checking whether you understand negative expressions. So that must be the right answer. Okay, let's check. Third is option C. Patient factors must be considered prior to lodging a request. Patient factors. That is important, right? Patient factors. Here, standard size. You see the difference you have to identify. This one is fashion factors. Here, standard size. This is the bed. This is speaking about a patient. The other one is speaking about what?
Availability.
Availability means of bed again. Bed, right? Availability of bed. This first one and second one speaks about what? Pressure care? Mattress.
Mattress.
Okay. Third one speaks about patient factors.
Yes.
For example, first one and second one speaks about availability, size, is it big or small, is it long enough, will it fit our hospital beds, all those things. Third one says, speaks about patient factors.
Patient.
Yeah, very hefty patients, kids and tall people, all those things, patient factors must be considered prior to lodging a request form. Okay, now I gave you one clue, and as per the clue, this must be right. Okay?
Yes.
Don't believe it. Okay? Don't believe me until you are confirmed from your experience. Now, do you have any clue after you're reading anything there?
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Father. Thank you,
Thank you, Father.
Welcome. Bye-bye. Empowering attitude. Whoever is selfish, normally we have seen they struggle a lot to crack OET. But empowering, helping others, being in the platform, active, supporting everybody, they really crack because definitely they learn a lot as well as God will bless them as. And I want to tell you, EduSkills YouTube channel has such resources, but the full explanation, you have all the 4 modules, all the strategies explained in different videos. Definitely you can access them. They are all free. So I have talked almost everything over there. Those are not just videos. They are the previous Zoom sessions uploaded on 4 subtests.
Thank you, sir.
If you find my smile attractive, we'll meet again.
Thank you, Father.
Yes.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you so much, Father.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Father.
Father.
God bless you.